Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make GIF in Photoshop. First step you need to do is to open Photoshop, click on File, and you simply need to click on Open and open any image. So I'm going to open this image for example. So once that image is open, so let me click on Windows, Workspace, Reset Essentials. Okay, so my workspace is set. You simply need to make copy of this one. So you simply need to click on Control C, Control V. So you have different layers. So I'm on the fourth layer and I'm going to select the eraser tool, select that layer. So let me adjust these character in the same position. So may adjust. So after that animation looks more good. Okay, so select the top layer and make sure that all layers are turned off. Okay, and I'm going to select the eraser tool and remove this eye. Okay, then you need to come onto the second layer, select that, repeat the process here, and in the third layer I want to remove the nose and smile. Okay, now on the fourth layer I want to remove all these things. Okay, once you complete that you simply need to click on Windows. Let me close this, click on Windows, and in the bottom you can see timeline. So click here, and here you can see create frame animation. So you simply need to select that and click here, and frame animation is created. Then you simply need to click on these three bars and click on make frame from layers. Okay, and then you simply need to click here to play animation. So here you can see. So this is a rough animation I created a GIF in front of you to show you how it works. So this is a process. I hope you like this video. Thank you.